Hey, so Jungle Scout 3 months and 3 months offer is linked in the description for you. And with this offer, you can get the Jungle Scout Suite plan for only $149 instead of the normal price. If you pay monthly, it's going to be $69. X3 is going to be about $207. You can get it for only $149 with the link in the description. It's going to be an affiliate link. And this is a great way to save money on Jungle Scout. It's almost like $50 saved, if not more actually than $50. And there are many other discounts that you're seeing here. So if you're looking for other discounts with a really good savings, you can check out the link in the description. And also I have for you a playlist of tutorials that will show you how to make the most out of Jungle Scout with over 100 tutorials that show you how to use different parts of it so you can invest, get it for a good price, and then make your investment be paid off by actually using it in the right way to find the right products, to validate your products, to build a good listing. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but in terms of your success, yes, there is money back guarantee, but it only is connected to your efforts and luck in a way. But more so is just to educate yourself right, do the most that you can. So check out the 3-month special offer for Jungle Scout and check out the tutorials to help you make the most out of it. And have a great week, day, month, year, life. Bye.